Hey everyone, it's Seattle Brandon here. I'm going to be going over a method to find the middle of a linked list. That's basically going to give you like the best like time complexity that you can get. So I'm going to be going over like a few things in here. So I'll show like an illustration of like what we want to do. All right, so let's just say here's our linked list. We got 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. And so we're going to try and find the middle. So we're trying to find basically like this 7 that we got right here. So like, how are we going to do that? Because like, we don't know how long the linked list is like even going to be, because it's just pointing out to the next one. So basically, one of the best ways I've found of doing it is you have two different like temporary nodes like running. So one of them is going to be going, so you have like 1 and 2. So the 2 is going to be jumping 2 and the 1 is going to be jumping once. And then basically like this one will be jumping 2, so it'll be down here, and then this one will jump 1, and et cetera, et cetera. And so basically whenever like you jump a 2, you're having the 1 jump like half as much. So it's always going to be in the middle. So basically you want to go until this dot next is null. And then all you have to do is return this like 1 value right here. So here. All right. Then here we go. I'll show you kind of what that looks like in code right now. All right, let's share the screen. Wait, actually, one sec. All right. So we're going to have find middle over here. And then there isn't a value for this one because we're just trying to find the middle. So if somebody calls this, it'll automatically give them the middle value. And then same as all the rest of them, if we don't have a head, then we want to return that the list is empty. I also like to put in a check. Basically, if this dot head dot next, equals null, or like if we don't have a next, then we want to return the value. So basically, if the list is only 1 length long, we just want to return like the middle one because it's only 1 long. So, and then we're going to basically, I like to call the let single equal this dot head, because this is going to be the one that's only moving one node at a time. And then we're also going to have double, which is going to be equal to this dot head as well. And then while we're going to be like, well, double dot next does not equal null, and double dot next does not equal null. So basically the reason I do this is like, say we get here, if we were to just do double dot next, it'll try and jump 2, but there isn't 2 to jump. So it's trying to read a dot next of a null value, and so it'll crash. So that's why I throw in this nice little and here. Ooh, I missed something. But yeah, I throw in the and symbol because it'll check if this one's null. If it's not true, then it'll go on to this one. And if they're both not null, then it's going to do what we're going to tell them to do. And so we're going to basically we're going to update single to equal single dot next. And then we're going to update double to equal double dot next. We're going to have a jump 2. And then once we found it, we're going to want to return the value of single, because that'll be like our halfway point. So let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. This is the best way I've found to find the middle of a linked list. If you see like anything, feel free to like shoot me a comment, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, have a good one.